Welcome back to Atsway Online Classes. Today we are diving into an essential topic in the realm of spiritual and ritualistic work: how to properly approach spirits, understand their desires, and ensure you're working with the true energy you're invoking. In many grimoires and spiritual traditions, especially those tied to the Ars Goetia or similar works, you'll find discussions about spirits asking for something in return for their assistance. This exchange is fundamental to establishing a respectful and balanced connection. It's like a trade. When they give you something, you offer something in return. You give them something in return. But here's the key: it's not always what you think. I have been explaining again and again in many of my Clauneck videos what the demon wants or what Clauneck or any other spirit wants. Still, people have doubts, so that is why I'm making this video to clear those doubts. There's a lot of speculation about what spirits might ask for. Some books sensationalize this, claiming they want your soul. Honestly, from my practical experience, I have never encountered anything like that. What I do see, especially among beginners exploring Goetia or other spirit work, is confusion about what offerings you need to give. Many practitioners have a doubt: should I give flowers? Should I give incense? Should I give something else? The answer is simpler than what you think. Ask the spirit directly. Let me share a couple of examples. One practitioner I know asked a specific spirit what the spirit wanted, and the spirit requested a particular type of oil, a magical oil. Another practitioner asked the same spirit, invoking the same spirit, was asked to give alcohol. So, what is the moral of the story? Each interaction is unique. No two spirits and no two practitioners are alike. So, while books and discussions are great for building foundational knowledge, take what you read with a little bit of common sense. Learn about the spirit beforehand, yes, but don't overthink it. Trust your instincts and communicate with the spirit directly. Now, here's an important question that often arises: what if the spirit asks me for something dangerous or uncomfortable? This is where it becomes a little tricky. If a spirit, poetic or otherwise, asks for something that feels off or wrong, stop immediately. Why? Because that's likely that it's not the true spirit you intended to call. It could be a thought form or a parasitic energy or an evil force mimicking the spirit. Unfortunately, this is a common pitfall, especially for those who haven't trained their astral senses or instincts. So, how do you ensure you're connecting with the true spirit? Practice is key. As you deepen your work, you will begin to recognize the energy signature of genuine spirits. If something feels off, trust that instinct. If a ritual feels wrong, close it. Be polite but firm. Here's an example. Let's say you're invoking Hecate. Suddenly, Hecate asks you to do something that feels deeply unsettling. That's a red flag. Calmly but firmly say, "Thank you for coming, but I did not call you. You're not the spirit I intended to contact. I must ask you to leave." If it doesn't go and keeps repeating, then you say again, "I'm asking again, please leave. You're not the one I summoned." Most of the time, the firm approach works, but if the energy refuses to leave, it's time to escalate. Start banishing the space. Use tools like singing bowls, incense, or other cleansing methods. As you do, maintain your calm and focus your will. Your willpower is everything in these moments. Be confident, be clear, and don't waver. The spirit will leave and your space will be cleansed. And there you have it. Working with spirits can be a deeply rewarding and transformative experience, but it requires preparation, instinct, and respect. Always trust yourself, stay firm in your intentions, and know when to walk away. I hope this guidance helps you on your spiritual journey. If you have any questions or experiences to share, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, may your path be clear, your spirit strong, and your light unwavering. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my next upload. Thank you so much for watching my video.